Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Hi guys, so we found out a hidden gem in Diliman Quezon City that serves all unlimited chicken wings, pasta, sides, and drinks. Here is their entrance where actually you can sit and relax while waiting for your friends, family, and loved ones to come over. They have two choices for unlimited, which is the 349 and the 699 pesos only. They also have solo serving tuha, super sulit yet fancy. Diba, super cozy ang feels and vibe pagpasok mo pa lang. This is Team Puti, Team Kahoy, and ang palaban na Mother Nature vibe. Super ganda ng greenery effect talaga sa white na wall. And trivia lang pala guys, ang place pala na ito is an old office converted to a restaurant. Okay, let's check their second floor naman, which actually lead us to the terrace hall. On a normal day, pwede ka mamili ng table dito for alfresco dining. And also, sa second floor then where you can actually rent the whole place for an event. Noong time namin may wedding reception but luckily wala pa masyadong tao, so I asked kuya and other staff kung pwede bang mag-sneak lang saglit sa place for the vlog. O ayan ha, for ideas lang and paano yung setup nila pag nag-rent kayo for an event like birthdays, weddings, and debut. You can actually check their Facebook page, it's Terrasse MNL, for more info and inquiries. Store hours nila is opened at 4:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. from Tuesday to Sunday. Meron din silang available parking inside where they can accommodate 2 cars and up to 3 slots naman for street parking. This is located at number 20 Matiyaga Street, Diliman, Quezon City. First, they serve us our unlimited side, which is the fresh garden salad tossed with vinaigrette. For me, it's fresh talaga. Super light lang niya and the vinaigrette was okay for me. So I'll rate this dish as a 9 out of 10. Second dish is the carbonara topped with crispy bacon bits and garlic bread on the side. It's creamy and you cannot go wrong with carbonara. I'll rate this as 8 out of 10 because di lang talaga ako mahilig sa white sauce pasta. Next is pasta bolognese. For me, this is 10 out of 10. No comment, tikman nyo na lang. They serve na din the unlimited chicken wings. 2 flavor lang yung kinuha namin kasi we just availed the 349 pesos unlimited. Super flavorful ng chicken nila. We had garlic parmesan and soy garlic. First, I tried their garlic parmesan and super panalo ito for me. So it's a 10 out of 10 rating talaga. Soy garlic naman is juicy and flavorful too because of the sauce. So it's 10 out of 10 din for me. Next is their Unli garlic shrimp. For me, there's nothing special when it comes to the flavor kasi it's a typical shrimp sauteed in garlic and butter with Sprite. Pero it's great kasi ito pa lang so far yung nakainan namin na may unlimited wings na may Unli shrimp pa. So ayun, tapos na nga kami kumain. Overall, the experience was great. The staffs are very friendly and accommodating. Great food and good place to share with your friends, family, and loved ones.
Fantastic.